MTRin channel. Channel O. If we're ambushed, then waiting patiently. B for Boxelder Bug. Crawling freely. C for cutworm. In gardens they roam. D for daddy long legs finding its home. E for emerald ash for hidden in trees. F for Florida Carpenter Ant. In colonies it flees. G for glowworm lighting up the night. H for harvester ant marching in time. I for in the mini butterfly fluttering with grace. J for Julia butterfly in colorful embrace. K for Kiki and Kaunata chirping in the grass. L for Ligus bug where crops amass. And for mole cricket burrowing underground. N for nocturnal moth in darkness is found. O for Orange Sulphur Butterfly and Q. P for peewee where legumes accrue. Q for quail bush grasshopper hopping in the field. R for red velvet ant with a sting sealed. S for striped hawk moth wings in flight. T for tussock moth in the pale moonlight. U for yellow citrus out polygonalist with deceptive guise. V for vegetable weevil where crops arise. W for wheel bug with the cog-like crest. X for Cephalopidae, a family of rats. U for yellow spotted emerald dragonfly in flight so bold. Z for Zenaida dove where stories are told from A to Z in nature's vast expanse. Insects and creatures in a cosmic dance. In a cosmic